For all the latest from the world of motoring, hit that subscribe button and stay connected. When it comes to performance in the 150cc segment, the R15 has always been on top, and with the R15 V3, Yamaha seems to have moved the bar even higher. Today we are joined by Karthik, who is one of the first owners of the machine, to talk about his ownership experience.
Hi Karthik, good morning. It's great to have you here. So the R15 V3, so why did you buy this bike? Please take us through that, and how has your experience been with it?
Hey Havin, great morning. Nice to be here. Thanks for the invite. Though I am a great fan of R series, I was looking for a good bike to buy. In the meanwhile, where Yamaha R15 version 3 has launched that V3, where without seeing it physically or such, like not having a test drive, even though, like I had bought the bike.
You went and booked it. A lot of confidence in Yamaha.
Yeah, I had great confidence with Yamaha, where though I'm using it from past 10 plus months, they have fulfilled all my needs, and I'm quite impressed.
How many kilometers have you clocked in this?
I have clocked around 10,000 plus kilometers.
Already in 10 months?
Yeah, in 10 months.
Okay. So Karthik, Yamaha says that the V3 produces much more power and is much more powerful and more fun to ride than the V1 and V2. So how has your experience been with it?
I truly accept that. Yamaha comes up with a 155cc engine with VVA technology, which provides better torque in lower and higher RPM. That makes the bike feel good and better. As I use this bike on daily commutes, I have clocked around 10,000 plus kilometers. Though it's been 10 months I'm using this bike. I use this bike occasionally on track days.
Okay.
And as of now, I have not faced any issues or like heating issues or something. I just really love the bike.
Okay.
People tell that like they are facing an issue on refinement and fit and finish. Though as in my 10 months ownership, I have not been faced anything, any issues. Bike feels good in lower RPM and higher RPM.
Okay.
In that, where I have reached about 150 top speed as a top speed. As I use on a daily commute, not bad. I am getting a good mileage, that is of 40 plus I am getting it.
So Karthik, the R15 is all about its handling and braking. So compared to the previous version, if you've ridden them, and how has your experience been with the handling?
Yeah, the handling is great. It's really fun to ride. Comparatively with V1 and V2, the V3 carries an aggressive sitting position, but I am comfortable with it. Seat height and weight is a bit more compared to V1 and V2. I feel lighter and easy to ride. Even though it's a full fade bike, the turning radius is quite impressive. Coming to tires, the front tire is a bit spongy, where the grips are great and the rear one is perfect. Bike comes with a slipper clutch, which feels lighter. The clutch feels lighter, which would be more useful in track sessions. The best part is aerodynamics. You can nicely crouch behind the visors, which goes faster. The bike really handles well. Because of this aggressive seating position, I feel more confidence in higher and lower speed corners. Coming to braking, Yamaha has not compromised on their braking system, which is good and very sharp. This bike was not coming up with ABS. Now recently Yamaha has been launched with the new ABS versions, which is quite good in terms of safety. One of my favorite feature is like a fully digital instrument console, which you can customize it as per your wish. You can add your name, and that feels a personal touch with the bike. The another great feature is the LED headlights, which is more powerful and very useful in night rides. Usually people ask me about the riding seat position, where on basis of this long ride or something,
Okay.
where I have clocked about 500 kilometers in one stretch, where I feel it's okay, but in city ride conditions it's bit uncomfortable.
So Karthik, how was your experience been when it comes to the service side of things? The usually Yamaha has a good history of service. So how has your experience been with this bike and at service centers?
Yeah, like this bike carries with 5 free services within the time interval of 3000 kilometers or 3 months, which comes earlier. Including engine oil, it's okay. Like the cost of 1000 rupees or 1200 you would be spending it, which is quite normal. One thing I want to tell you is the plastic parts, especially near the tanks, which is very delicate. Even though it's fine, you can easily replace, and which is not expensive.
So Karthik, thank you so much for coming here this morning and talking about your ownership experience. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun on this bike at the track.
Yes, thank you so much for inviting me. I feel proud and great when I talk about this bike. Thank you so much.
So guys, that's what the Yamaha R15 V3 is all about. It has taken a small step back when it comes to overall refinement and build quality compared to its previous versions. But what you get in return is a more powerful and exciting motorcycle that is even more fun to ride and is more an R series motorcycle than ever before. Thank you for watching, and do check out our channel for more ownership reviews.